Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we are going to show you exactly how to get Monopoly Go up and running on your MacBook in 2025. So let's get started. First things first, forget searching for an online version in your web browser. While there might be links, the most reliable way to plan your MacBook is through an Android emulator. We highly recommend downloading BlueStacks. To do this, simply search for BlueStacks in your browser. Look for the official download link and click on it. Make sure you grab the latest version for the best experience. Once the download is complete, go ahead and click Install Now button to begin the installation process. It's pretty straightforward. After BlueStacks is installed, just open it up and you'll be able to find the download Monopoly Go. From within the application, it's just like using an Android phone right on your Mac. So ditch the browser search and get BlueStacks installed to start enjoying Monopoly Go on your MacBook today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this one. We'll see you in the next one.